Dad, can I talk to you?
Of course, Laura. Are you okay? Come here.
Today, I felt confused again, Dad.
About English?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, tell me what happened, sweetie.
In school, my teacher asked a question.
What question, sweetie?
She asked, "Have you done your homework?"
Ah, present perfect tense.
Dad, I froze.
That is okay, sweetie.
My friends answered fast. I stayed quiet, Dad.
You felt nervous. It's okay.
Yes, Dad. And then some girls smiled, like they were joking.
Oh, that hurts. That is not kind at all.
I felt small again, Dad.
Laura, look at me. You are not small. You are learning. First, breathe slowly.
Okay, Dad.
Good.
I feel a little better.
We will learn together.
Thank you, Dad.
Laura, listen.
Yes, Dad?
Present perfect tense talks about
The present?
yes and no.
Huh. Why, Dad?
It talks about the past, but it is important now.
Like, finished work?
Yes, exactly. Example, I have finished my homework.
I have finished my homework.
Great! The formula for present perfect tense is very easy. Subject plus have or has plus past participle.
Have, has?
Yes. I have, you have, we have, they have.
And,
He has, she has, it has.
okay, Dad.
Now let's understand past participle, V3, very easy. V3 is a special verb form.
V3 scares me, Dad.
Don't worry. We go slowly. Examples: eat, eaten. Go, gone. Do, done.
Do, done.
Perfect. Repeat after me. I have done my homework.
I have done my homework.
I have eaten lunch.
I have eaten lunch.
I have gone to school.
I have gone to school.
Very nice, sweetie. Now you speak.
I have finished my work.
Great.
I have cleaned my bag.
Very good.
I have studied English.
Excellent.
I have learned new words.
Wow, that sentence is strong. Now let's add fun words.
Fun words?
Yes, sweetie. Already, yet, just. Listen. I have already eaten. I have just finished my homework. I have not done it yet.
Yet means not now?
Yes, not now. Maybe later.
Oh.
Sweetie, your teacher asked, "Have you done your homework?" Right?
Yes, Dad.
And answer?
Yes, I have.
Perfect. Again, have you done your homework?
Yes, I have.
Excellent. Have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have.
Nice. Have you cleaned your room?
No, I haven't.
Very good, sweetie. Now let's practice negatives. Negative is also very easy. Have not, has not.
Okay, Dad.
Repeat after me, sweetie. I have not finished.
I have not finished.
She has not come.
She has not come.
Great. Now speak a small paragraph.
Today, I have learned present perfect tense. I have practiced many sentences. I have answered questions. I have made mistakes, but I have tried again.
Beautiful paragraph.
I feel proud.
You should, my little champion. Now, final recap. Ready?
Yes, Dad.
Get set, go.
Today, I have learned present perfect tense. Present perfect tense uses have and has.
Good.
Formula is subject plus have, has plus V3.
Excellent.
Examples: I have done my homework. She has eaten lunch. They have gone home.
Perfect.
Dad, I feel confident now.
I can hear it, sweetie.
If teacher asks again, I will answer fast.
Brilliant.
Have you done your homework? Yes, I have.
Great.
No one can laugh now, Dad.
And even if they laugh, you will still learn.
Yes.
I am proud of you, Laura.
Thank you for helping me, Dad.